What we can deal with when we're talking about cabinet refinishing. So we're here at Den Edwards Paints, and even with Sherwin-Williams products, things like that, they don't hold up great for cabinetry. And I want to illustrate this perfectly for you people. So right here is Deco Prime, Deco Glow, cabinet door and trim paint. And here's their mock-up. As you can see, if you want this in your cabinets, it leaves the chips, dings, scratches, mars extremely easy. This is why we don't use coatings like this. I only use professional grade, industrial quality, KCNA approved coatings. Chip resistant, heat resistant, fade resistant, chemical resistant. You can scrub them. You can take denatured alcohol and clean off the grease. You can use acetone and clean off the grease as well. That's why our coatings that we use are superior, and you get a superior finish, and you are happy with the end result of your cabinetry. If you want your cabinets done right, contact us today. Give us a call, 978-600-1979, or visit us on our website at myfinishmasters.com. Thank you.